Little Flower High School Abbots held their investiture ceremony on the 17th of July 2021 for the academic year 2021-2022. Reverend Brother Sergeant Anthony, Principal of Little Flower High School, welcomed the virtual chief guest for the day, Shri V.S. Sajjanar, IPS, Additional Director General of Police, Telangana, and Cyberabad Police Commissioner. He acknowledged the presence of Mr. Kadaru Venkat Reddy, ACP Abbots. Sri Sajjanar Garu gave a powerful message to the students of Little Flower High School, motivating them to be responsible citizens. Sir strongly believed that the school will produce many leaders to lead the society. He emphasized that as a leader, one has to be responsible towards his or her actions. Mr. K. Venkat Reddy Garu said the leaders are not born, but are made in institutions like Little Flower High School. He said that every child of the institution is a leader. He encouraged students to be people of knowledge and character. The celebrations witnessed the induction of the cabinet by Reverend Brother Sergeant Master Mustafa Ahmed and Miss P. Mahima Gandhi were sworn in as school pupil leaders. They delivered their maiden speeches, which created an aura of nostalgia with stint of pride in holding the most coveted portfolios in the institution. The ceremony was concluded on a patriotic note with the national anthem.
Hello, name Dr. Ashish Chauhan, proud parent of Little Flower High School. ఈ రోజు ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ సెరమనీ జరిగింది లిటిల్ ఫ్లవర్స్ లో. వీఆర్ సో బ్లెస్డ్ అండ్ వీఆర్ హ్యాపీ management of Little Flowers has considered and planned after 18 months for the first time for some ceremony to take over. By the grace of God, we have had a participation from very high officials. We thank V.C. Sajjanar sir, our commissioner, as well as ADGP Cyberabad, who joined us virtually, plus Abbots ACP Venkat Reddy Garu, who joined here and gave a very blessed message to all the chairtakers as well as the position holders of the office. Investiture ceremony is chala mukyam because ఇప్పుడు COVID pandemic లో we have learned that yes, leadership skills ఉండాలి. పిల్లలలో, పేరెంట్స్ లో, everywhere everyone has to learn these leadership habits. Leadership habits లో క్రైసిస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ చాలా ముఖ్యం. ఈ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ సెరమనీ ద్వారా ప్లస్ వేరియస్ పొజిషన్స్ ద్వారా పిల్లలకి అది స్కిల్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. అది చాలా ముఖ్యం. అండ్ వి ఫీల్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ దట్ ఈ రోజు స్టూడెంట్ పీపుల్ లీడర్ as well as deputy leaders and the householders have taken this positions. Most important is focus from Little Flowers is not only on academics but also on the sports, on curricular, co-curricular activities. So I congratulate especially Brother Sergeant Anthony and the Superior General Brother John Calorica and everybody else that school dwara you are blessing not only this district but the whole state as well as country of India. They are producing a leader that they will not only bless the whole world with their prayers but also through their academics and sports, as well as by becoming the right kind of person and the right kind of responsible citizen. I congratulate all the media, especially News TV 99 for joining us and making sure that positive news media. Congratulate to everyone else who's informed, who is involved in this event, all the students, all the parents, all the faculty and all the teachers. May God bless you all. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir.
Today we have the investiture ceremony of our Little Flower High School children taking the leadership role of the school, and we give responsibilities for the kids so that they develop the leadership qualities and also to take in a responsibility in the societies too. And these leadership qualities will given a confidence in their life, and this confidence they are able to make their own life skills improved, and they become a good citizens of the country. And this also, I congratulate all the parents who have been nurturing these leadership qualities in the children. We also congratulate the management and the staff who have been behind training of, even though there is in a COVID time, taking a lot of trouble and risk and making innate talents of the children to come out. We thank the parents who have been very supportive, bringing the children and taking back. And we feel today is the first time after 18 months the stage is blessed with the activities of the children. I hope this activities of the institution build in a confidence for the institution and confidence for the children too. And we are there to ever ready to be part of the society, and we also take all the activities of the society to make an awareness about for this during this COVID time. Thank everyone.
Good morning to everyone. I thank our principal and I thank our staff members and I thank all the parents who joined for the English teacher ceremony. And I would like to thank even the media for joining us and covering this English teacher ceremony program. And as principal sir said and as a parent Ashish sir said, the English teacher ceremony is very important for the children for learning the leadership qualities, inculcating the leadership qualities in them. So I thank the management for giving this opportunity and organizing such a beautiful event for the children. Thank you, brother, and thank you all.